Rico Reparan and Noli Pelagio versus John Ray Rodriguez and Nico Ramos.
Court 1, please start the game. Players for court number 1, please start the game. Let's start the game on court number 1. Thank you. Chris Caperan, I judge for court 1. Thanks.
Mga nanalo. Previous sa court na to. Oh, waiting na lang kasi.
Can we get part 1 to start, please? Thank you. Players for court number 7, Jefferson Rivera and Al Vecino versus Jovenson Vallablanca and Erwin Bayani. Please proceed to court number 7. The Oblation Badminton Cup would like to thank our sponsors: Prudential, Majestic Immigration Singapore, Ayala Land International Singapore, Smiles Global Remittance, Austral Migration Consultancy, and the UP Alumni Association of Singapore. For 2 line judges, Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Please proceed to court number 2. Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga, you're the line judges for court number 2. Thank you. Once again, calling the line judges for court number 2, Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga.
Ikaw muna ngumuya. Sa tawa.
Calling players Erwin and Jovenson Vallablanca.
Wow. Buti na lang may pamigay na ganito.
Okay lang. Okay lang ulit ate.
Buti mag-rally kayo. Pwede rally.
Nice one, Al. Malapit na kayo, honey. 11 kayo, di ba?
Standby players for court number 8. Standby players for court number 8. Edison Soto and Valfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Standby for court number 8. Standby players, court number 5. Court number 5, standby. Erico Lester Patricio and Chris Capiral versus Al Soriano and Abimar Magpayo. Standby for court number 5. Standby players for court number 1. Troy Cadalina and Alden Malakas versus Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Nicolco. Standby court number 1.
Ang gusto mo may pastel.
Wala na, hindi na nakapasok. Isa na yung panalo eh.
Nakapasok kayo?
Hindi. Kayo?
Puro default kami. Late ako dumating.
Ay, bakit?
Standard players, court number 6. Dennis Cayoga and Jomer versus Evan Wilson and Arlene Cano. Standard court number 6. Players for court number 8, Edison Cuello and Alfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Court number 8 players, Edison Cuello and Alfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Court number 8. Calling players for court number 1, Troy Cadalina and Aldrin Mangaras versus Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Nicolito. Court 1, Troy Cadalina and Aldrin Mangaras versus Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Nicolito. Court 1.
Announcing top 8 for women's doubles lower. At number 8, Lynn and Irene Auxilio. At number 7, Team Sario and Jonah Mendoza. Jonah Elorde, sorry about that. At number 7, Team Sario and Jonalyn Elorde. At number 6, Kathleen Mascareñas and Catherine Big. At number 5, Karin Monter and Joanna Marie Medel. At number 4, Angel and Daniel Soriano. At number 3, Girly Kawayan and Ivy Agura. At number 2, Bench Hugo Sanchez and Lita De Quito. And at rank 1, Don and Marian Dayan.
Calling players for court number 3. Court number 3, Jomar Caballo and Romeo Fernandez versus Ernie Soriano and Ray Wilson Mendoza. Jomar Caballo and Romeo Fernandez versus Ernie Soriano and Ray Wilson Mendoza. Court number 3.
Thank you. Top 8, 9 next.